Hello and welcome back to CanvaBestie. Today we're going to go over how to group text in Canva. Let's jump into it. Grouping elements and text in Canva is very easy to do. All you have to do is select everything you want to group together at once. So to do that, you can click and drag your mouse until everything you want to group is selected. You release your mouse and it will bring up this menu. From this menu on top, you want to select Group, and then it will group your text or your elements all together, and you can move them or put them wherever you want. Group text by clicking and dragging again, and right-clicking over top, and selecting Group. Your elements are grouped. You can do a few things with the group itself. You can change its spacing, the line spacing. You can also change the letter spacing. You can size it to wherever you want it. You can make it smaller. You can change the context of the elements or the text just by simply dragging. It's very user-friendly and very easy to do. Now to ungroup, you want to select on the grouped elements once, and then select Ungroup up in this menu here. Then it will ungroup all your text or elements and you can move them around freely. Have it. That is how you group text and elements in Canva. If this video was helpful at all to you, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I post Canva tutorials almost daily. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next one.